Right, that's a shit torch on my phone. Freezing cold. Well, I did get out of bed and I am fucking naked still. But basically, I got my tarp. I'm so glad I brought that old tarp. There's a lot of bugs flying around here, but then I've got lights on. But I've taken the old tarp and just given it more coverage up this end. It ain't pretty, like my exes, but it does a job, unlike my exes. So I got it on the side here, covering up this corner. So that's all sorted out. Oh shit. Yes, and of course I slipped on these wet fucking loose rocks, like that bastard. Oh, fuck. Whilst I was going for a piss. Made a point of pissing on myself. Yeah, lovely. So I ended up grabbing handfuls of wet leaves. Fucking freezing cold. Handfuls of wet leaves to give myself a quick rinse down. Believe me, I'd rather get wet from the leaves than... God, my hands are numb. Fingers are gone numb. Than get into bed in my hammock, in my sleeping bag, with piss on me. So yeah, I am now completely covered up. With my last work I've done, I just literally put my cord between these 2 points. So it's slack there now because the rain's come off. But if the rain does come down, it'll sit on these instead of getting close to me. Yeah, it's not leaking. So yeah, I'm dry. I'm a bit fucking cold, but I've had a piss and get back in bed. Hopefully without trashing the place too much. I'm just glad I got these torches. I mean, the torch on the phone, it's all right. That torch is okay in one direction, but not in any other direction. And the lighter one is very bright, but you're limited in where you can position. Okay, my phone keeps turning itself off, for fuck's sake. I've basically no idea what's been recorded. I've done a lattice work on the inside here, so the rain won't come down more than a certain amount. If it does rain again too much, I'll then naked outside, putting up the old tarp to cover this corner. And so that's all strung up, tied up, to keep out the side wind and the rain. And yeah, wishing I had my headlight torch, my headlamp torch thing. But still, I am bloody fingers are numb from the cold. Plus I slipped when I was going for a piss. Anyway, back belly boys, drinkies.
Some travellers moved into Callahan Park. And before you could say gypsy scum, we were knee-deep in dog-muck thieving kids and crusty jugglers.
Crusty jugglers.
We lost the title.